kids! Grab your giggles and hop with me. Bunny's off to the sweetest place you'll ever see. Little bunny hopped through a rainbow door into candy world. Oh, what a sweet floor. Lollipop trees sway in the breeze so high. Gumdrop flowers smile at the sky. Chocolate rivers sparkle and flow. Marshmallow clouds say hello, hello. Bunny jumps in with a big happy splash. Candy rain falls with a sugary crash. Hop, hop, hop in candy world so bright. Twist and twirl from morning till night. Crunch, crunch, crunch on rainbow treats. Bunnies dancing with sugary beats. Yum, 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 what a candy delight. Come hop with Bunny, we're feeling just right. Jellybean mountains bounce up and down. Bunny slides down with a giggle sound. Cotton candy bushes, fluffy and pink. Bunny takes a bite, quick as a wink. Licorice swings go whoosh through the air. Bunny swings high without any care. Gingerbread houses with frosting so neat. Bunny knocks and they say, come eat, come eat. Hop, hop, hop in candy world so bright. Twist and twirl from morning till night. Crunch, crunch, crunch on rainbow treats. Bunnies dancing with sugary beats. Yum, 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 what a candy delight. Come hop with Bunny, we're feeling just right. Ice cream volcanoes bubble with fun. Sprinkle rainbow shine in the sun. Bunny builds a castle of cookies tall, then shares it with friends, one and all. When the candy moon starts to glow soft and sweet, Bunny yawns big with jellybean feet. One last twirl, one last happy hop. Candy World says, you're the best bunny non-stop. Hop, hop,